Hey everyone, I'm Lauren. Welcome to Furniture Flipping Teacher. In this video, we are going to be creating some FFT merch using our awesome Cricut machine here. And stick around to the end because we're gonna also be giving some away. Thank you so much to Cricut for sponsoring this video. Since the beginning of Furniture Flipping Teacher, we have been able to utilize the Cricut machines, all of the Cricut machines, whether it be making stencils for furniture, putting names on my nephew's furniture, and then also my favorite part, creating our custom t-shirts. So that is what we are going to be doing today, but to do so we're going to need some specific materials from Cricut that's going to make it so much easier. The first thing that we're going to need is our Cricut Maker 3. This is their newest machine and I just absolutely love it. It has so many capabilities, and we are also going to be using the Smart Iron-On that is going to go right along with the Cricut Maker 3. This is their upgraded vinyl, and it's iron-on because, like I said, we're going to be making t-shirts. So we're also, of course, going to be needing the actual shirts to put the vinyl on. And then, of course, don't forget about the Cricut Easy Press, which is going to essentially stick the vinyl onto the t-shirts. Cricut is a smart cutting machine that allows you to create personalized projects with hundreds of materials. It works with a software called Design Space that comes free with your machine. This is where you can create your project and browse from hundreds of images and fonts. Once you've created your design, Design Space will send it to your machine to cut. So now that we've got all the materials to make the FFT merch, let's head over to Cricut Design Space and lay out our design. Design Space is an awesome platform that comes with your Cricut, and they've just got tons of images that you can search for. If maybe you're not super creative, you can check out theirs on Design Space. But for our merch, we are just going to be using the text boxes that you can do. So I'm just going to go ahead and insert my text box here. It's going to say, "Save the world, flip more furniture." Is really flipping the furniture saves it from the landfill, thus saving the world. So what I'm doing is I'm just laying out so that I know what type of design that I want. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and put these into different text boxes and lay it out exactly how I want it to look. Then we're gonna just go ahead and click Make It, and then it'll send it over to my Cricut Maker 3 here, which is connected by Bluetooth to my computer. So once you make your design on your Design Space, you've just gotta click Make It, and boom, the Maker 3 has your design. One really cool thing about the Maker 3, like I said, this is their newest machine, and Cricut has come up with the Smart Vinyl. So I'm using iron-on because we want it to be able to stick to the shirt. I am going to be using two colors, which is white and black. So for the first color, we are going to go ahead and put the white in. Ta-da! That is one done shirt. So I am going to get to making a couple of other shirts here, and then we are going to talk to you guys about our giveaway. But that's just how easy it is to create your own shirts. Any design that you can think of. Like I said at the beginning, if you are not as creative, but you still want to make your own shirts, the design space has plenty of options for you, but you can also create your own things, create your own sayings, and build your own brand. One thing that we really love about the Cricut and all of their opportunities and materials is that it gives us the power to create our own brand and create the merchandise for ourselves. You know, we see people walking around in Nike and Adidas and, you know, all the big brands, and this here Cricut gives us the opportunity to put our own brand on our own shirts and wear our own stuff. So if that's you, if you've got a small business, perfect for you. But even if you don't, speak through your t-shirts, put things that you enjoy on them. That's just the one thing that is just so amazing about being able to create your own shirts with the Cricut. All right, the moment you've been waiting for, the t-shirt giveaway. For the giveaway, we're gonna be giving away 4 t-shirts. So we're gonna include these 2, the ones that say Save the World, Flip More Furniture, and then we're gonna be giving away our classic Furniture Flipping Teacher t-shirt, and then we are gonna be throwing in an I'd Rather Be Flipping t-shirt as well. So 4 of you can win. All you've gotta do to win the giveaway is subscribe to our channel, Cricut's channel, and then in the comments down below, let us know some shirt ideas that you would like to see in our future merch. We are working hard at our website and we're gonna be adding merch on there, so we would love for your guys' input as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and just don't forget that Cricut has so many opportunities for projects that you can make, whether it has to do with furniture, making t-shirts, organizing your home. There are so many fun projects that you can do with the Cricut. Thanks to them for sponsoring this video once again, and we'll see you guys on Thursday for a furniture flip. We'll see you on the flip side.